Welcome to the Entrance Counseling tutorial. In this video, we will provide you with an overview of how to complete entrance counseling for the Virginia University of Lynchburg. You can complete entrance counseling at studentaid.gov on either a computer or a mobile device. Go to studentaid.gov at this time. If you are using a computer, your screen will look like the image on the right. If you are using a mobile device, your screen will look like the image on the left. First, we will show you how to access entrance counseling from a mobile device. Once you have logged in, locate the menu button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Selecting the menu button will open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Complete Aid Process. Hitting Complete Aid Process will open up an additional drop-down menu. From that menu, select Complete Entrance Counseling. To access entrance counseling on a computer, once you have logged in, locate the Complete Aid Process link at the top center of the screen. Hovering over the link will open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Complete Entrance Counseling. From this point forward, all screens will appear the same whether you are on a mobile device or on a computer. The first thing you'll be asked to do is to identify your student status. If you are working on a certificate in ministry, an associate's degree, or a bachelor's degree, you are an undergraduate student. If you are working on a master's or a doctoral degree, you are a graduate or professional student. Go ahead and click the Start button that corresponds to your student status. After selecting your student status, you will be taken to a screen that provides an overview of the entrance counseling process. Go ahead and read that information and hit Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose which school to notify of your entrance counseling. You will need to select U.S. schools/U.S. territory schools. Under Choose a State, you'll type in Virginia. Under Search School by Name, you will type in Lynchburg. From the options given, you will need to select Virginia University of Lynchburg. This will automatically populate Virginia University of Lynchburg as the school to notify. Before hitting Continue, please verify that the information on your screen matches the information highlighted in yellow on the right-hand side of the screen in the example shown. If the information matches, hit Continue. If it does not match, hit Remove. Go back to the search by school name, retype in Lynchburg, make sure to choose Virginia University of Lynchburg. Verify that the information matches, and hit Continue. After choosing the school to notify, you will be taken to the Entrance Counseling module screen. This screen will provide you an overview of the 6 modules of entrance counseling that must be completed. To begin the first module, hit the Start button. Read through the information provided and answer any questions that are presented to you. Once you reach the Estimate Your School's Cost of Attendance screen, under Tuition Type, you will choose either in-state or out-of-state. Regardless of which option you choose, the results will be the same. Under Select a Living Arrangement, choose the option that best applies to your situation. Under Expected Years to complete the program, you will choose 1 year if you are working on a DHA degree. You will choose 2 years if you're working on an associate's degree or a master's degree other than the Master of Divinity. You will choose 4 years if you are working on a bachelor's degree, a Master of Divinity, or the Doctor of Ministry degree. Continue working through entrance counseling and answering any questions you are presented until you reach the Estimate Your Annual and Total Student Loan Debt screen. On this screen, under Degree Certificate, you will choose the option that best applies to your situation, and you may leave Field of Study blank. Entering an answer in the field of study will not change the results in any way. You will continue working through entrance counseling, answering any questions that are presented to you until you reach the final screen, which will look like the example shown here. You will need to scroll down to the bottom and hit the Submit button. After submitting your entrance counseling, VUL will receive your entrance counseling within 24 hours. Finally, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call the Financial Aid Office at 434-528-5276, or you may email financialaid@vul.edu.